Mariah Carey, born March 27, 1969, is an American singer-songwriter, record producer, and actress. Dubbed the Songbird Supreme, Carey is known for her 5-octave vocal range, melismatic singing style, signature use of the whistle register, and diva persona. An influential figure in popular culture, she was ranked as the 5th greatest singer of all time by Rolling Stone in 2023. Carey rose to fame with her eponymous debut album 1990 and became the only artist to have their first 5 singles reach #1 in the US. From Vision of Love to the title track of her second album, Emotions 1991. She achieved international success with the best-selling albums Music Box 1993 and Daydream 1995. The remix to Fantasy with OL Dirty Bastard introduced her new image and hip-hop inflected sound, which she later embraced on Butterfly 1997 and Rainbow 1999. With 11 consecutive years of US #1 singles, Carey was named by Billboard as the Artist of the Decade. Following a career decline, she made a comeback with the Emancipation of Mimi 2005, her 21st century bestseller. Carey's life and career have received widespread media coverage. She has been dubbed the Queen of Christmas due to the enduring popularity of her holiday music, particularly Merry Christmas 1994, one of the best-selling holiday albums. Its lead single, All I Want for Christmas Is You, is the longest-running #1 song on the Billboard Hot 100 and the best-selling holiday single by a woman. Outside of music, she co-founded the youth program Camp Mariah in 1994. Starred in films such as Glitter 2001, Precious 2009, The Butler 2013, and the Lego Batman movie 2017, and served as a judge on American Idol 2013. Her 2020 memoir, The Meaning of Mariah Carey, reached #1 on the New York Times bestseller list. Carey is one of the best-selling music artists in history, with estimated sales of over 220 million records. She has the most Billboard Hot 100 #1 singles of a solo artist 19, a female songwriter 18, and a female producer 15, spending a record 101 weeks atop the chart. One Sweet Day and We Belong Together were ranked by Billboard as the most successful songs of the 1990s and 2000s, respectively. Her accolades include 5 Grammy Awards, a Grammy Global Impact Award, 10 American Music Awards, 19 World Music Awards, 14 Billboard Music Awards, the Michael Jackson Video Vanguard Award, and an induction into the Songwriters Hall of Fame. One of the highest certified artists in the U.S., Carey has 4 Diamond certifications from the Recording Industry Association of America. Carey was born on March 27, 1969, in Huntington, New York, on Long Island. Her name is derived from the song they call the Wind Maria, originally from the 1951 Broadway musical Paint Your Wagon. She is the youngest of 3 children born to Patricia Nee Hickey, a former opera singer and vocal coach of Irish descent, and Alfred Roy Carey, an aeronautical engineer of both African-American and Afro-Venezuelan lineage. The last name Carey was adopted by her Venezuelan grandfather, Roberto Nanez, after he emigrated to New York. Patricia's family disowned her for marrying a black man. Racial tensions prevented the Carey family from integrating into their community. While they lived in Huntington, their neighbors poisoned the family dog and set fire to their car. After her parents' divorce, Carey had little contact with her father and spent much of her time at home alone and began singing at age 3, often imitating her mother's take on Verdi's opera Rigoletto in Italian. Her older sister Allison moved in with their father while Mariah and her elder brother Morgan lived with their mother. During her years in elementary school, Carey excelled in the arts, such as music and literature. She began writing poetry and lyrics while attending Harborfield's High School in Greenlawn, New York, where she graduated in 1987. Carey began vocal training under her mother's guidance. Though she was a classically trained opera singer, Patricia Carey never pressured her daughter to pursue a career in classical opera, with Mariah Carey stating that "I respect opera like crazy, but it didn't influence me." In high school, Mariah Carey was often absent because of her work as a demo singer. Working in the Long Island music scene gave her opportunities to work with musicians such as Gavin Christopher and Ben Margulies, with whom she co-wrote material for her demo tape. After moving to New York City, she worked part-time jobs to pay the rent and completed 500 hours of beauty school. Carey moved into a 1-bedroom apartment in Manhattan for female students as roommates. She landed a gig singing backup for freestyle singer Brenda K. Starr. Personal life. Carey stated in 2006, "I do believe that I have been born again in a lot of ways. I think what I've changed are my priorities and my relationships with God. I feel the difference when I don't have my private moments to pray ... I'm a fighter, but I learned that I'm not in charge. Whatever God wants to happen is what's going to happen. I feel like I've had endless second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth chances. It's by the grace of God I'm still here." Carey began dating Tommy Motola while recording Mariah Carey, and they were married at the Episcopal St. Thomas Church in New York City on June 5, 1993, in a $500,000 ceremony. The newlyweds moved into a custom-built mansion located on a 51-acre estate in Bedford, New York, referred to by Carey as Sing Sing. After the release of Daydream and the success that followed, Carey began focusing on her personal life, which was a constant struggle at the time. Their relationship began to deteriorate due to their growing creative differences in terms of her music, as well as Motola's controlling nature. They separated in December 1996 and announced it publicly on May 30th, 1997. The couple divorced on March 4th, 1998. Shortly afterwards, they sold their home to Nelson Peltz for $20.5 million. It burned down in 1999. Carey was in a relationship with baseball player Derek Jeter from 1997 to 1998, 453, and with singer Luis Miguel from 1998 to 2001, 100 she began dating actor and comedian Nick Cannon while conceiving the music video for her song Bye Bye, which they filmed together on an island off the coast of Antigua in April 2008. They were married on April 30th, 2008, in the Bahamas. That same year, Carey suffered a miscarriage. At 35 weeks into her next pregnancy, she gave birth to their fraternal twins on April 30th, 2011, via cesarean section. In August 2014, Cannon confirmed he and Carey had separated. He filed for divorce on December 12, 2014, which was finalized in 2016. In 2015, Carey began dating Australian billionaire James Packer, and on January 21, 2016, she announced they were engaged. By October, however, they had called off the engagement. In October 2016, she began dating American choreographer Brian Tanaka. On December 26, 2023, Tanaka confirmed that he and Carey had parted ways after 7 years of dating. In April 2018, Carey opened up about taking therapy sessions and medication for her struggle with bipolar disorder. She was diagnosed in 2001 and initially kept the diagnosis private. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.